my wobbly camera. Good morning, Airistech. This is just for you, although I'm going to publish it so everybody can see, because that's only fair. This is regarding your Airistech 8, your Airis 8. And you asked me to send you the box, to show you the box. Well, this is the box for one. I'm not sure which one, and I checked the code, and it's an original product and everything. There it is. Now you hopefully know what version it is. These are my two Airis 8s. I really liked it for a few weeks. But now, the blue Airis 8, and please replicate. Come on! The blue Airis 8, if I push, these are fully charged. They've been charged overnight. We turn it on, and as you know, that means I'm on. I hold the button for a second. Come on, Airis 8. Okay, and now it's acting like it's working. Hold on a sec while I try to take a puff off this. Well, it is smoking, but I didn't get anything. There it goes. So see, now it's indicating that either the batteries needs to be recharged or the coil, which has, it did heat up a little bit there for a second, or the coil is not attached properly, which is what happens. Sometimes it's a bad coil. And it flashes again. And I have tried 4 different coils on this, and I've tried these coils as well as in the Headbanger, so I know they work. I know this coil works because it did get hot, but only for a second, and then I try to use it. Now it's saying all's good, and then the light goes out, and now it's flashing. So there's some connection problem or a battery issue. I don't, it could be dying like instantly, but I plug it in and it stays plugged, or it acts like it should be off. Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one will turn on, and this one appears to do the same thing. When I'm charging this one, there's no light at all. Okay, so now you saw that was acting as if the coil was fine, or as if everything was good. Plug this coil in that we know works. It worked in the blue one, and it worked in the Headbanger. And there's your button saying that there's a bad connection. And I'll tweak it a little bit, hoping to, I noticed with the Yokan Hive, there's a sweet spot. And I'll tighten it as much as I can, and it's still flash, 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 flash. So again, same issue. Both 2 batteries, same generation, I'm sure, because I got them both at the same store within a week. And bad batteries. Or connection. Some kind of connection. It's not working, man. That's all there is to it. Really like it. I'm a big fan of the Headbanger. Although I will tell you, and you're probably going to freak out when you see this, I have this Headbanger, which the button stopped working, so I figured, I could just realign the button and put it in. But that was a little over my head, so I took it to the shop and asked them. And I left it there for a while, and then they gave it back to me because there's residue in it, and that's illegal for them to have it. And when they gave it back, wires were disconnected, so I'm not sure what they did. But one problem with this one was this bottom piece just comes off, and it comes off on its own. It'll just fall off, which is good because it allows air, and you can use your Headbanger without hit the camera without taking this part off. The heck is that? Oh, those are magnets from something else that I was storing on top. Without taking that off, but it falls off like in your pocket, or fall off while you're trying to use it, and well, not while you're using it. It falls off all on its own. That's, it's not supposed to be like that. You know that. I know that. A little crazy glue will fix it up. It's not a big issue. If you could send me schematics as to where to connect which wire, that'd be really cool, because this does work. I just have to fix the button. And if I had not messed around with it, I probably could have sent it back to you because of the button. But I messed around with it thinking, ooh, I could fix this. And I couldn't. Or I can. I can resolder that as long as once I figure out where the wires go. I'm not sure about the button. But anyways, the point of this was, what's it? Oh, there's those. These are from the Stealth. I have to do a video on that as well. So anyways, these are my two, and they both don't work. And I really like them and would like them to work and would like them replaced. Those are my likes. Those are my wishes. And if you don't, that's fine by me. That's your choice. I just won't buy any more Airis products or recommend them. Which I was there for a while. Now that sounds like a threat. I'm not trying to say it like that. That's pretty logical. If one's not happy with a product, one's not going to back it. And I know you want people to be happy with your product. So there you go. That's its issue. And yeah, that's it. Now off to send something to Stealth. See ya.